Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Coming soon, the economic calendar will present key data points and reports that investors are likely to analyze closely for trading cues. These updates, whether high or moderate in impact, will offer valuable insights for market forecasts. These economic data points could act as triggers for market shifts. Being informed and prepared can make all the difference in effective trading and investing.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
US President Donald Trump said he was increasing tariffs on Chinese exports to the US to 100% and imposing export controls on any and all critical software in a reprisal to recently announced export limits by China on rare earth minerals critical to tech and other manufacturing. Gold paired some gains on Friday after briefly rallying above the $4,000 an ounce milestone for a second time last week as US President Donald Trump's warning of possible fresh tariffs on China accelerated a flight to safe haven assets. The dollar dropped on Friday after US President Donald Trump threatened to hike tariffs against China, reigniting concerns over how the trade war will impact the US economy. Trump also said he may cancel a planned meeting with Chinese President Xi Jinping.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The dollar-yen pair dove 1.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. After a 4.5% dip during the last session, the Bitcoin-dollar pair closed with a 3.3% gain. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair fell 1.2% in the last session after gaining as much as 1.5% during the session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair fell 5.5% in the last session after gaining as much as 5.3% during the session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.